Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating story of YouTube, the platform that transformed how we consume and share video content from its humble beginnings to becoming a global powerhouse. YouTube's journey is nothing short of remarkable. Let's explore how it all started, the key milestones, and where YouTube stands today. In February 2005, three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Javed Karim founded YouTube. Their idea was simple: create a platform where people could upload, share, and view videos. The first video uploaded ever was by Karim himself, titled Me at the Zoo on April 23, 2005. Little did they know, this simple video would mark the beginning of a new era in online content sharing. Within a year, YouTube saw explosive growth. By the summer of 2006, the site was receiving over 65,000 new video uploads per day and was hitting 100 million video views daily. This rapid success caught the attention of major tech companies. In November 2006, just 18 months after its launch, YouTube was acquired by Google for $1.65 billion in stock. This acquisition provided YouTube with the resources and infrastructure to scale even further. Post-acquisition, YouTube continued to grow and innovate. Here are some key milestones in YouTube's journey. 2007. Introduction of the YouTube Partner Program, allowing creators to earn money from their videos. 2008. Launch of high-definition videos. 2010. YouTube becomes the second largest search engine in the world. 2012. First video hits 1 billion views. Gangnam Style by Psy. 2015. Introduction of YouTube Red, now YouTube Premium, a subscription service offering ad-free viewing and original content. 2018. YouTube launches YouTube Music and YouTube TV, expanding its offerings beyond user-generated content. Like any major platform, YouTube has faced its share of challenges and controversies, from the issues of copyright infringement, dealing with inappropriate content, and concerns over ad placements, to handling the spread of misinformation and balancing content moderation with the freedom of speech. YouTube has had to navigate complex and often contentious issues. Despite these challenges, YouTube has continually evolved, implementing policies and technologies to improve the platform and address these concerns. Today, YouTube is a global phenomenon with over 2 billion logged in monthly users. It's a hub for diverse content, from vlogs, tutorials, and music videos to live streams, educational content, and much more. YouTube has also become a significant part of many people's livelihoods, giving rise to countless careers and even creating a new category of celebrities, YouTubers. So, what does the future hold for YouTube? As technology continues to advance, YouTube is likely to integrate more immersive experiences such as virtual reality and augmented reality. We can also expect continued growth in its premium services and further innovations in content delivery and user engagement. One thing is for sure, you will continue to be a significant force in the digital landscape, shaping the way we create, consume, and share video content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the story of YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech and platforms that shape our world. Until next time, keep watching and keep creating.